Good morning, students. So, lecture first, exercise 1.4. So, we have learnt operation on sets, that is like union of two sets or more sets, and the intersection as well. Right, both are just opposite to each other. And now, this is the third operation on sets, that is called difference of sets. We are going to discuss. So, let A and B are any two non-empty sets, right? A and B are any two non-empty sets. Then difference of the sets A and B in this order is the set of those elements which are the elements of A only, not to B. It means the difference of the sets in the order A and B is the set of those elements which are the elements of set A only, not to B. It means the elements of set B should not be lying in the difference of the sets. So to make it more clear, let I consider one example. And the difference, as you know, that is denoted by the symbol A minus B. Usually minus symbol is used for the number system. So let the set AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. This is the set A, and set B is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is the set B, and we wish to find A minus B. That is difference of A and B in this order, A and B, A minus B. So A minus B is the set of those elements which are what? Lying in A, not in B. It means the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 should not be written in A minus B, and we have to write the left elements are in set A. So check 2, just cross 4, 6, 8. Because these elements 2, 4, 6 are 8 are the elements of B, and we have to exclude the elements of set B. So now the left elements in set A will be 1, 3 and 5. The difference of sets somewhere might be confusing to you, that what is A minus B and what is B minus A. So you can remember, like A minus B means write the elements of A only which are not the elements in B. So 1, 3, 5, these are those elements in set A which are not existing in set B. You can check 1, 3, 5 is not lying in the set B. So hence this is A minus B. So now can you answer B minus A? B minus A, giving you 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds, your time starts now. Just calculate, because it doesn't take more than 3 seconds, and then verify whether you have got the correct answer or not. And if you got the correct answer, then write to me in that WhatsApp 11th mathematics group. Okay, I'll be waiting for your response right after uploading this video. So B minus A will be, I'm sure everybody has calculated. Now check 2, 4, B element, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. So if you remove this 2, 4, 6, 8, so what are the elements? What are the elements of A which coming here in B? So elements of A are 2 is coming, and 4 is also coming, then 6 is coming, 8 is coming. It means, so B 2, 4, 6, 8 minus, write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay, so now see 2, 4, 6, 8. So check, the all 4 elements are coming 2, 4, 6, 8 here. So if we remove what? These elements, what in that set, then what we left? We are left with no element, that is 5, because all the 4 elements are existing in the set 2, 4, 6, 8, and then in the set B there is nothing exists, right? So we write 5. So the correct answer is 5. Okay, so we'll reply how many of you have got the 5 answer, because 2, 4, 6, 8 are there. So in the set B, I already told you, in the set B, what are the remaining elements which are not coming in the set? Second set is the correct answer. So this is the answer is 5. So there are many questions in your exercise. You will practice. And now one more thing. Note point. Question for 1 mark. Write the difference of A minus B in set builder form. This is what? The tabular form. It means we are listing, we are writing the elements. And now we are supposed to write what this time? Difference of sets in set builder form. That is rule method. So suppose A minus B equal to X. That is the difference of the sets A and B is coming to X. So it means X says that X belongs to A, because the difference of set is the element of set A only, which are not. So it means X belongs to A, but this X does not belong to set B. So this is what the set builder form A minus B, difference of two sets can be represented in set builder form. A minus B equals to X is such that X belongs to A, but X does not belongs to B. Clear? So this is what A minus B. Similarly, try to practice what B minus A. So B minus A will be what? X such that X belongs to B, but X does not belongs to A. That is, this element should not be lying in set A. So that's why here is 5, because all elements are already existing there. So there is nothing left, that is except 5 only. So this is the difference of sets. Now let's solve some questions of the exercise related to these operations: union, intersection, and difference of sets. So I'm taking question number first part. Find the union in each of the following: X 135 and Y 1, 2, 3. So we have to find union, that is X union Y. So 1, 3, 5, write the elements, and 1, 2, 3. So in union, what we write? We write all the elements, but make sure no element should be repeated. So 1, write 3, write 5. Now check, 1 already has written. Now 2 is not there, so write 2, 3 is already written. So 1, 3, 5, 2. Make sure, or you can write this set 1, 2, 3, 5. Doing the set order is not important. Okay, so it's not important. You can write in any order. 1, 3, 5, 2 is also correct, and this one is also correct. So you should not be bothered writing in order or in sequence something. Okay, write the elements in any of the order. So same as second, third, fourth part you can do. Okay, and having doubt you can ask. I'm taking the question number 2. Or let A equals to AB, and the set B equals to ABC. Now the first part is A subset of B. We already studied A subset of B when, if all elements of A, that is A or B, lie in set B. So clearly A and B is subset of A, B, C, because A or B lying in this set. So this is, the answer is yes, A is subset of B. Further, what is A union B? So now let's find what is A union B. So A union B is what? Write all elements of A, that is A comma B, and all elements of set B, that is A B C. A B already written. So what left? Only C left. So A B C. So A and B equals to A B C. This is the answer. So in exercise 1.4, the question related to A minus A union B, A intersection B. Okay. Let's one more point we find in the same question. Let's learn how to find A intersection B of the sets A and B. So A or B, these are the common elements, and we know that in the intersection we prefer to write only common element. So A or B coming in both. So A intersection B equal to AB, where A and B equal to ABC. So both I have calculated, and even if you want to answer, let's check A minus B also. Find A minus B. A minus B. What is the answer? A or B has to be removed from this, and what left in A? Nothing. So A minus B equals to 5. Right? In the same question we have learned how to find union, intersection and difference as well. In the whole exercise you have to operate these operations only: union, intersection and difference. Right? So today you will solve all these parts, and if you have any doubt you will ask. Thank you very much.